Hi, I'm weather analyst Philip Duncan. What a windy and cold couple of days it's been. Look at the hailstorm that hit Wellington yesterday. We got this great video from Bill in New Zealand, and this shows the big hailstorm that hit around about early in the afternoon. The first reports that I had was that it was snowing in Wellington, and you can see why. Look at this white ground. In fact, we saw some great photos all over the city of complete whiteout conditions. The temperature dropped from 12 degrees with a nor'wester to just 4 degrees with a southerly in half an hour. And in fact, most of that happened in just 15 minutes. So incredible, and a lot of people in Wellington enjoyed the hail and the big thunderstorm that went along with it. All right, so the wind has been the main feature at the moment. Let's have a look at our satellite map in motion, and we can see this is the activity that brought that hail stuff yesterday to Wellington. And we're seeing out to the west here just a few little showers. They're still coming in, affecting Auckland, but there's another front lining up down here. It's a weak one, and more showers. And if this satellite map that you see here extended all the way around the globe, I would be walking right off the camera. That's how far the westerlies go. They go right over towards about Madagascar before they disappear. Let's have a look. We'll show you that in a moment. Let's have a look at the wind, though. This is the wind that we had early this morning. A lot of people said it was very windy, especially Waikato. Waikato, the winds just howled through Hamilton, Te Awamutu, gusts well over 70, 80 k's an hour. In Auckland, it was around about the same, just a fraction calmer. But this red you see in here, this is the strong to gale force winds that blew through in the very early hours of Wednesday and also hugged some parts of the coastline here in the south. What is happening? Well, let's move forwards. We'll have a look at Wednesday night now. And look, the biggest, strongest winds are now well out to the east of the country. Another lot, though, coming in. And believe me, every 48 hours for the next week, we're going to have another surge of wind, showers, maybe even the odd thunderstorm and hail shower, and a resurgence, as I just said, of those winds about every 48 hours, which means that every 24 hours we'll probably have a slight lull. And that's what we're seeing here, this lull between this lot of wind that we had across Wednesday morning and this next lot that's coming in later in the day, so a bit calmer. All right, now I told you the winds go a long way. Well, here we go. This is a look at the wind at the moment. This is for Thursday, actually, stretching all the way across here, and they curve right down. Of course, the globe curves around, but we see South Africa just around there, and that is where the winds actually start, just to the east of South Africa and Madagascar. That's where these winds are. Strong gales coming up. They hit the roaring 40s. And you know what it reminds me of? It reminds me of the ash clouds. Remember when we were tracking those and they were sort of missing Australia and then coming through and hitting New Zealand? Well, that's what we're seeing here. Now, if we put the rain map on here, then we can see the purples in here. That's where the showers are. And again, you can see every 24, 48 hours, we see another set of rain coming through. So it's going to keep going. We're not seeing an end in sight anytime soon. Well, back to this map. This is an important one now. This is Friday evening's rain map. And of course, all eyes on Waikato, because that is where we play. The All Blacks are playing Japan, and we'll be seeing some pretty showery activity around the western side of the North Island. But if we look at that just very closely, you can just sort of see Waikato's on the edge of it. So there might be a couple of showers around. The winds, they'll be a westerly, they'll be brisk, but not as strong as they have been earlier this week. Still a fair bit windy though, and a few showers. And on Saturday, things improve a little at first, but there's another band of rain. This is another front coming in, and look, here's the next one. It's got its eyes set on us for Sunday and Monday. So we do have this coming through Saturday, and then it should ease back to just a few showers, but that's a period of rain in there. That's why it's a blue. The pink and purple, that indicates showers. So we are in for a windy, showery couple of weeks yet. Hopefully some lulls in between though, and driest weather will remain eastern sides of both islands. And that's your forecast.